Welcome to 90 Seconds with the Boss. I'm Ellen and I'm here to help you live wiser. Today's question is,
what heading can I have on motorised curtain tracks?
you can have the standard, more formal pinch pleat. This comes in a double or a triple pleat and it gives you the really smart look. You can also have a pencil pleat heading. With this you can reduce the fullness, but you would really need to hide it behind a pelmet because it doesn't look so neat right at the top. You can also have a wave or a ripple heading. This is a really contemporary look. The track does need to come a little bit further away from the window so that the curtain can go backwards and forwards from the track in a continuous smooth wave. And all of these headings on a motorised curtain track need to be hanging underneath the track. You can't have the track and then the curtain standing up above it.
What length and weight can motorised curtain tracks handle?
Motorised curtain tracks are quite heavy duty. We can do them up to 10 metres long, and we can do straight and we can do curved. In fact, we did a 14-metre curved bay in a penthouse up in Battersea. Now what we do is we split those tracks into two 7 metres, and then obviously they meet in the middle, and it looked gorgeous. Oh, and I forgot about weight. Because they are heavy duty, they can take full embroidered, interlined, black outlining curtains, whatever the length.
Where does a motor go on a curtain track?
On a curtain track, the motor hangs below the track, behind the curtain. So the curtain wraps around it, totally hiding it. And this is ideal if you need to get power, because usually there's a power socket down below and you can just run the power cable up behind the curtain. We can also do batteries. This locks onto the bottom of the motor and then is taken away to recharge. If you have a suspended ceiling, we can also flip the track so that the motor goes up, but that is quite rare. And finally, it doesn't matter which side you need to put the motor on. We will get that specified so it can go left or right. Our time is up. If you've learnt something from this episode, please like or share below. If not, I'll see you next time.